let's make sushi with me. Okay, so you're gonna need this, but if you don't have one, it's fine. You're gonna need your seaweed, any toppings you want, and the rice, and a water. First, you're gonna get your seaweed and put it on here. You're gonna get your rice, dip your fingers in the water, and spread it out. After you're done with that, we're gonna move on to the toppings.
Okay.
We're gonna add some salmon on first. Now we're gonna add the avocado. And next is the cucumber. Now we're gonna roll it up. Okay guys, we're all done rolling. Okay guys, the sushi is all done. This is how it looks like. Bye guys!